Hi there, and welcome back to another Salome tutorial. So we're going to do geometry and meshing. In this case, this is our geometry, our domain. So what you see here, this will be our domain. So previous video, now we have an internal flow. So now let's do an external flow. So pretty much the design I will show you, a few new features, but pretty much we have outer domain, we have the cylinder, and then we're going to create these two boxes that we're going to use as refinement zones in meshing. Okay, so remember, we create everything in geometry, all the entities, and then in meshing everything will be available. So as I say, Salome is a good tool, but it still is not at the level of the professional tool. So in this case, I'm using Onshape. In the video description, you have the link now to this document so you can reproduce, but let me show you very fast now the geometry, and then we move to Salome. Okay, so here, well, I can browse my history here. So first we start by sketching the geometry, and remember, when you do your solid, your geometry, there is no right or wrong, no how you order the operations. It is up to you, but the idea is that you follow a logical, you have a logical order of operations, but it is up to you. Ideally, we want to do things in the minimum possible of operations. Okay. Also, all the constraints they need to resolve, if you have the case parametrical, now constraints, geometricals, and your constraint coincidence and so on. And then you need to have a watertight single solid. So in this case, we have the cylinder, diameter 2. Then we move to, let me move here my history. Okay, let me first get out here. I'm not going to do it, so you see that's very easy. Then the second one, we created the box for the domain. So here we have all our dimensions. So we're going to reproduce everything. And now, as you can imagine, okay, so look at that. You have all your dimensions. We do distribution. So first extrusion, we have the cylinder, and as you look here in Onshape or any professional tool, they're going to give you similar options. So you have many options to do this extrusion. In this case, I chose the blind, symmetric 2, so in total 2 meters, 1, and I'm going to do the same for the other. So remember, I'm using those options. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want here, any of the options, or put the face in another plane. Okay, by no means, this is the only solution. Then sketch. So this will be our domain. Okay, so we have external domain, internal domain. Then, well, at the end, I do the Boolean. You can do the Boolean right ahead here to subtract one body from the other. So then the other sketch is to create the other domain. You do another extrusion again. So here we have our dimensions, and I click here. I have here my dimension of the extraction for meters in this case. Then the other domain, okay, I go there, and the final operation here, I do my Boolean, and this will be my domain. So then when you go to your meshing tool, remember, you need to select surfaces, dynamic selections to assign boundary conditions. And then you're going to use those two boxes now to assign refinement region, volumetric regions in this case. So this is it. As you see, it's quite easy to do this in Onshape. In Salome also, it is relatively easy, but remember, you don't have the same option. So there are a few additional clicks that you need to do, how to hide faces, select faces behind faces, and so on. So we're going to do that in Salome. So remember, in the video description, you have the link to this document, so you can take a look or open your account in Onshape for free, and you can practice, okay, and then you move to Salome. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.